Hey YouTube, and welcome back to my channel. Perhaps one of my family's favorite vegetables is okra. We eat it in soups, stews, gumbos, fried, and pickled. Now, some people don't like it, and some people do. There is no in between. You either like it or you don't. Many people don't like it because it has a slime on it, but if you wash it thoroughly, that slime will disappear. In this video, I'm going to show you the steps and processes I go through to plant. When the season started, I planted okra in 2 beds. In this one, we have burgundy okra, and in the other one, we have Clemson spineless. The burgundy okra in the first bed is coming up slowly. You'll be able to see it eventually. In this bed, you're not going to see it for a very long period of time. So that's why I decided to plant more okra. There are 4 simple steps that I take when I plant okra. You have to choose the right time. Plant when the temperatures are warm. Okra loves heat. You have to plant outdoors in soil when it is at least 65 to 70 degrees soil temperature, typically 2 to 3 weeks after your last frost. It has to have a sunny location. The soil must be well drained, and you can soak the seeds overnight to help with germination. So I decided to plant some seeds here in the True Right grow bed, and I'm going to plant them here at the front. I think I can get at least 3 seeds on 3 plants here. So what I normally do when I plant my seeds is to take my hori and dig a trench or a furrow, which is what you see me doing here. And in this case, it's about 7 to 8 inches long and about an inch to an inch and a half deep. In the container, I have a mixture of bone meal, blood meal, and chicken manure fertilizer together. I sprinkle some of that into the trench, and then I'm going to take 3 of the seeds and place them into the trench. I soak the seeds overnight in regular tap water. The variety that I'm using is called the Campbell Emerald Okra. I've never heard of it before until this year, so what better time to grow it? So we're going to go ahead and place the seeds into the soil, and then we're going to backfill and cover them up. Once these are planted, we're going to go to the U-shaped bed where we recently removed cabbage and plant some there also. Okay, we're going to put the remainders in this bed, or this part of the U-shaped bed. And recently, if you remember, in the last video, we removed cabbages from this area. So what we're going to do is dig a furrow. And we're going to put in the fertilizer. Mix it in. Put one here and another one right here. Backfill and cover them up. And we have one more left to do, and we'll put it on this side. And we're just going to do a little indentation with my finger. Put a little fertilizer in, and then drop the seed in. Back in. So we have 3 on this side and 3 on the other side. Well, I'm sorry, 3 in this bed and 3 in the other bed. And we'll go ahead and put the label in this bed. So this is the raised bed that I had the okra in last year. And just like if you were putting okra into the ground with any other vegetable, they need to be rotated. So we didn't put them here this year. Okra likes to have the soil evenly moist, but not waterlogged. Waterlogging will stunt the growth and kill it. You should mulch your okra in order to retain the moisture in it so you won't spend a lot of time watering and also reduce the risk of waterlogging the roots. If growth of the okra is slow, use a general purpose fertilizer, which is what I do. And just like with any other plant, make sure that you remove the weeds so that your plants that you're growing aren't competing with the weeds. Okra should be harvested when it's 2 to 4 inches long. Any longer, unless it's a specific um, type of okra and they become pulpy or woody and not very good to eat and can only be used for seed. You have to harvest every other day, or otherwise they will run the risk of getting too big and not being fit for consumption. And it doesn't really bother me, but it's recommended to use gloves when you pick them because okra can be a little spindly or prickly. So I want to thank you for coming along with me on this really quick video showing the process and the steps that I go through to plant okra. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment, good, bad, or indifferent, and I'll be sure to respond to you. As I said before, with okra, if you take a sampling of 5 to 10 people, pretty much half of them will tell you that they love it, and the other half will tell you that they hate it. There is really no middle ground. As I said before, my family likes it. We use it in stews, gumbos, fried okra, and we also pickle it. It's easy to grow, really. Kind of maintenance free as long as you water it and fertilize it on a routine basis and also weed it. As I said before, make sure that the pods don't get any bigger than 2 to 4 inches. Any bigger than that and they're not going to be very good for consumption. If you enjoyed the video, think about subscribing to my channel. I can grow a lot of food and vegetables by myself, but I cannot grow the channel without your help. If you do decide to subscribe, don't forget to hit the like button and the notification bell all so you'll be notified whenever I upload new content. Chances are, if you like my content, your family and friends will also, so it's okay to share. Until next time, always remember to give the thanks to God. Stay strong, stay blessed, and grow, grow, grow.